Hi, in this video, I am going to derive Legendre duplication formula using beta function. So let me start with our definition of beta function. Beta m plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to m factorial into n factorial by m plus n plus 1 factorial, that is equal to integral from 0 to 1 t raised to m into 1 minus t raised to n dt. Now substituting m is equal to n is equal to z in the above equation, we can write down this expression as beta. So when m is equal to n is equal to, and this will be beta z plus 1 z plus 1 is equal to z factorial into z factorial by 2z plus 1 factorial is equal to integral from 0 to 1 t raised to z 1 minus t raised to z dt. Sorry, this n will be here. Okay, now let us substitute t is equal to 1 plus s by 2. So if I substitute t is equal to 1 plus s by 2, then dt will be equal to ds by 2. Also you have 2t is equal to 1 plus s, so that means s is equal to 2t minus 1. S is equal to 2t minus 1. So when t is equal to 0, that means at this lower limit, this point, when t is equal to 0, s will be equal to 2 into 0 minus s will be equal to minus 1. And when t is equal to 1, at this upper limit apply in case, when t is equal to 1, s will be equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So the limit, the integration will be from 0 to, sorry, integration will be from minus 1 to 1. So I am changing this integral. T raised to z, so instead of t raised to z, we will get 1 plus s by 2 raised to z into 1 minus t is 1 plus s by 2, 1 plus s by 2 raised to z. Now dt is equal to ds by 2. Okay, so this will be equivalent to integral from minus 1 to 1 1 plus s raised to z by 2 raised to z. This will be 2 minus 1 minus s by 2, this term. So that means 1 minus s, 1 minus s raised to z by 2 raised to z. Then you have a 1 by 2 term and yes. So this is equivalent to 1 by 2 raised to z plus 1, 2 raised to 2 z plus 1, 2 raised to 2 z plus 1 into 1 plus s into 1 minus s raised to z ds, and then integral from minus 1 to 1. Okay, 1 by 2 raised to 2z plus 1 minus 1 to 1 1 minus s square raised to z ds, where I have used this identity x minus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus a square. Okay, so this will be equivalent to 2 raised to 2z plus 1, so minus 1, this will be also minus 1 into 2 into integral from 0 to 1 1 minus s square raised to z ds. So ഞാനിവിടെ ഏത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്? Now you see this integral is even integral. Since the integral is even, I can rewrite this integral as below, where ഇവിടുത്തെ ലിമിറ്റ് -1 to 1 ആണ്. പക്ഷെ താഴെ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കിയാൽ ഇന്റഗ്രേഷന്റെ ലിമിറ്റ് 0 to 1 ആണ്. സോ ഇതിന്റെ ട്വൈസ് ആയിരിക്കും, ഈ 0 to 1ന്റെ ട്വൈസ് ആയിരിക്കും -1 to 1 the above integral, because the above integral is even. Now since the integral is even, I have rewritten it as shown. Okay. So this is equivalent to 2 raised to minus 2z, because ഇവിടുത്തെ plus 2 raised to 1ഉം ഇവിടുത്തെ -1ഉം എനിക്ക് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാം. So this will be 2 raised to minus 2z integral from 0 to 1 1 minus s square raised to z ds. Okay. Now the equation number കൊടുക്കണം. Suppose is my equation number 1. Okay. So what we have now is m factorial into n factorial by 2 into m plus n plus 1 factorial is equal to integral from 0 to 1 x raised to 2m plus 1 into 1 minus x square raised to n dx. So എവിടുന്നാണ് ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഞാൻ എഴുതിയത്? This already we have proved this equation as the alternate form of beta function. Beta m plus 1 into n plus 1 is equal to 2 into 0 to 1 x raised to 2m plus 1 1 minus. So ഇവിടുത്തെ ഞാൻ ഈ 2 this 2 ഞാൻ ഈ സൈഡിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നു, ഇവിടേക്ക് എഴുതിയതാണ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ. സോ ദിസ് ഓൾറെഡി നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണത്. Okay, now using this equation, now if you consider your term, ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ടേം ഞാൻ ഈ ടേം ആയിട്ട് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം, these two terms തമ്മിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. Now if you compare these two term, then നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും 1 minus integral from 0 to 1 minus s square raised to dz. So ഇവിടെ ടേം എഴുതാം. So you have to compare these two equations. 0 to 1 minus s square raised to z ds. So if you compare these two equations, then you get 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means 2m is equal to -1 or m is equal to minus half. Also our n is equal to z. നമ്മുടെ this equationലെ n ഇവിടെ z ആണ്. So this equation will be equivalent to, so ഈ equation ക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? This will be equal to m factorial. So what is m? M is -1 factorial എന്ന് വരും. -1 factorial. M is -1. N factorial. So n factorial, n is z, so z factorial by 2 raised to m plus n. So -1 plus z plus 1. Z plus 1 factorial is equal to, now this is equal to -1 factorial into z factorial by 2 into -1ഉം +1ഉം കൂടി വരുമ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് ഹാഫ് ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ 2 into z plus half factorial. Okay. Now what is -1 factorial? This -1 factorial will be root pi z factorial by 2 into z plus half factorial. Okay. ഇനി എങ്ങനെയാണ് എനിക്ക് ഈ ടേം കിട്ടിയത്? -1 factorial is equal to root pi. So this നമ്മൾ ഗാമ ഫംഗ്ഷന്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. For gamma function, we have the reflection formula gamma z into gamma 1 minus z is equal to pi by sin z pi. Now if I substitute z is equal to half here, then gamma half into gamma 1 minus half is equal to pi by sin z is half, so half into pi. Okay, so pi by sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, so pi by 1. So this means gamma half, so f not f, gamma half, gamma half whole square is equal to pi, or gamma half is equal to root pi. Okay, but now my equation നമുക്കിവിടെ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത് -1 factorial ആണ്. What is -1 factorial? We have the equation gamma z is equal to z minus 1 factorial. Yeah, now let us find out gamma half. Gamma half will be equal to half minus 1, half minus 1 factorial, that will be equal to minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay, now gamma half, what is gamma half? Gamma half is root pi, so minus 1 by 2 factorial is root pi. So if part നമ്മൾ prove ചെയ്തു. Okay, now let us substitute our result. That means this term in our equation number 1. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ equation number 1 rename ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, name ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. That equationൽ വന്നിട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. So നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ചെയ്തത് ഈ ഇന്റഗ്രൽ മാത്രമാണ്. So that integralന്റെ value നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ substitute ചെയ്യുക, and then you rewrite this equation. Then you will get 2 raised to minus 2z into root pi z factorial by 2 into z plus half factorial is equal to z factorial by 2z plus 1 factorial. Okay, now you can cancel this z factorial with this z factorial. Okay, so the remaining things will be, ഒന്ന് റീറൈറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം, z fact 2 raised to minus 2z into root pi into 2z plus 1 factorial is equal to z factorial into 2 into z plus 1 factorial. And if I take this 2 ഈ സൈഡിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നാൽ നമുക്കൊന്നുകൂടെ റീറൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. Then this equation will be z factorial into z plus half factorial is equal to 2 raised to minus 2z minus 1 root pi 2z plus 1 factorial. Now this equation is said to be Legendre duplication formula. Now you can derive its one of the alternative form, that is the alternative form of Euler's equation, sorry not Euler's equation, alternative form of Legendre equation can be developed, and for that you have to divide this equation by z plus half. So I am going to divide this by z plus half. So you have to divide the numerator by, sorry, you have to divide here by z plus half. Here also you have to divide by z plus half. So that means z plus half z factorial into z plus half into z plus half minus 1 factorial divided by z plus half. So ഞാനിവിടെ എന്താണ് ചെയ്തത്? If you have n factorial, ഈ n factorial നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം, n into n minus 1 factorial. So this result ആണ് ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്. z plus half factorialനെ z plus half minus 1 factorial into z plus half എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Okay, now this part നമുക്ക് 2 raised to minus 2z minus 1 root pi, then ഇതിനെ ഞാൻ മാറ്റി എഴുതുന്നുണ്ട് 2z plus 1 into 2z factorial എന്ന് എഴുതാം, 2z factorial divided by z plus half. Now here നിങ്ങൾക്ക് z plus halfും z plus halfും ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാം, these two z plus halves ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാം. Similarly ഇവിടെ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ ഒരു സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ കൊണ്ടുവരികയാണ്. So this is equal to 2 into 2z minus 1 root pi. ഇവിടെ എനിക്ക് ഈ ടേമിൽ നിന്ന് 2 കോമൺ ആക്കാം. So if I take 2 common outside, then 2 into z plus half into 2z factorial divided by z plus half എന്ന് വരും. Okay. Now you can cancel z plus half here with this z plus half. Okay.